Hi all, greetings from Cloudly. In this demo, I would like to show you how does the AppTest related data can be migrated from one org to another org through CloudSync application. Before executing this demo, let's have a quick introduction about CloudSync. What is CloudSync? CloudSync is 100% native Salesforce application. It is available on Salesforce App Exchange platform. It is the first App Exchange application that can replicate on-demand data between SFDC environments. There are multiple use cases for data migration such as Sales and Service Cloud data, App Exchange applications, metadata and data, custom objects, contents, documents, and synchronized schema. Before executing, let us understand about the app's data structure so that we can easily understand how the app is migrating the data. There are different areas of apps where you have the static data that need to be pushed from one org to another org. In this slide, let's see what are the steps required to migrate product and pricing. In order to migrate product and pricing, there are 4 templates involved in these objects. The first template is product and pricing data. The second one is price list item and price matrix data. The third template is price matrix and price matrix entries data. And the fourth template is product attributes and release data. So if we go and execute these 4 templates, so all the product related records will be migrated from source to destination. Let's say bundle structure. To form the bundle structure, there are a couple of objects involved behind the scenes like option groups, option components, attributes. Under attributes, there are 2 more levels of styles such as group members and group entries. Related to pricing, there are price list items, price matrix, and matrix entries. There are these many levels of objects are involved to migrate the product related records. This is about the bundle structure. Here we need all these objects and the data to be pushed to form the structure of the bundle. Let's go and execute the template. Before executing the first template, in the next slide, let us see what are the key points in migration. In this slide, we can see the template name and the key points in migration. Listed are the 4 migration queries. One is parent and 3 child queries. Objects which are covered in these 4 queries are product, price list items, option components, and option groups. So select all the required lookups and make sure the migration templates are executed in the mentioned order. In the second template, let's see what are the key points in migration. So in the second template, we can see here the template name and the key points in migration are, so listed are 2 migration queries, one is parent and 1 child query. Objects which are covered in 2 queries are price list item and price matrix. So we need to select all the required lookups and make sure that the templates are executed in the mentioned order. Let's go and see what are the key points in the third template. So in the third template, so there are 2 migration queries, 1 parent and 1 child queries. Objects which are covered in these 2 queries are price matrix and price matrix entry, and we should make sure that the templates are executed in the mentioned order. Let's see the fourth template. In the fourth template, there are 3 migration queries, 1 parent and 2 child queries. Objects which are covered in these 3 queries are price attribute group, product attribute group members. So we need to select all the required lookups based on the requirement, and let us go and execute the migration demo. Here is the source, and this is my source, and this is my destination, CPQ train. So before executing, in the source, let me show you the bundle structure. So this is the bundle, laptop and ThinkPad. This is one bundle where we can see option groups components, price list, attributes. Under attributes, there are subchilds as well. We will see all this data and structure. So we can see all the option groups and corresponding options under it. So here are the attributes, here is the option groups, and here are the option components. These are the price list items. So in price list, we can see price list matrix pricing. In pricing matrix, we can see entries. So these are all the related records that we need to be pushed from source to destination. Let us go and execute the template. So it is my first template, product and pricing data. So here is my parent query, and these are the 3 childs that has mentioned in the slides. Now when I go and click on execute, so these are the lookups. So select all the lookups based upon the requirement. So now I click on execute. So here is the green button. To check the results, we need to press enter this button. So here is the result page. We can see here all the related, the parent and all the related child has been successfully pushed from source to destination. Here is the status. The status is success, and this is the source ID. This is the destination ID. As there are no error messages, so we cannot see any error message in the error message column. Let's go and see in the destination whether the record has been successfully pushed to the destination or not. So I click on the destination. So here, this is my destination CPQ tray. So here, if I go and so here we don't see any product called product and laptop. So now if I go and refresh this page, so here we can see the laptop and ThinkPad product has been successfully pushed. Now I go and click on this. So here we can see the product data has been successfully pushed, and here are the option components that has been pushed with the first templates, and here are the option groups, and price list data has been pushed with the first template. Now let us go and execute the second template. If we execute the second template, we can push the price list data and the related child's data, like price matrix data, can be pushed successfully. So here is my template. I'm selecting the second template, that is price list item and price matrix data. Now we have one parent and one child. Now I go and click on execute. So these are the lookups we need to select. So I go and click on execute. So this is the green button to see the results page. Here is the result page. Let me go and refresh this page. So here are the results. We can see the success status. So this is the source and this is the destination ID, as there are no errors. So now let us go and check in the destination. So in the price list, we have, see, in the price list we have matrix data. The matrix data is successfully pushed from source to destination, and the price list data is also being pushed successfully. So now let us go and execute the third template. By executing the third template, we can push the matrix data and the matrix related child data, and there are entries. So I go and select the third template. So here is the one parent and one child. So I click on execute. So here are the lookups. Now I click on execute. So to see the results, we need to click this green button. So here is my result page. So all the data is successfully pushed. The status is success. This is the record ID and this is the destination ID. And let us go to the destination and see whether the data is successfully pushed to the destination or not. So I am in matrix. So I go and click on this record. We can see all the related childs has been successfully pushed. These are the entries. If I go and see, click on this record, you can see the data is successfully pushed from source to destination. So if I go and execute the fourth template, we can see all the attribute groups that has been that will be pushed from source to destination. So I go and select the fourth template, that is product attribute and release data. Now we have one parent and two childs. So I go and click click on execute. So here are the lookups. So we can select according to the requirement. So I click on execute. So here is the results page. So we need to click on this green button to see the results. Here is the results page. So we can see all the success status. So here is the source ID and here is the destination ID. Now let us go and check in the destination whether the attribute data is pushed successfully or not. So now I go to the destination and see. So if I go and refresh the page, we can see the attribute groups will be pushed successfully. I have refreshed the page. So here is the attribute groups. Under attributes group, we have child scope, our products. So these are the lookups. You can see all the data is successfully pushed. With the help of these 4 templates, we can push the product and the bundle structure. This is about bundle structure. We need all these objects and the data to be pushed to form the structure of the bundle. Thank you.